What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm going to go step by simple step on everything you need to know. So by the end of the video, you can go out there and even if you're completely brand new, start to generate your first affiliate commissions even by this week. So what's up, my friend Garrett here. If you're new to my channel though, you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step affiliate marketing training. Be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and that bell notification so you're always notified of my latest videos. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive right into this process, okay? So really these are the main 3 steps that I'm going to cover inside this video. Number 1 is we're going to use the proven and recommended traffic source. Now, this traffic source is going to allow you to easily and quickly get targeted, high quality people to your affiliate offers. Now, step 2 is what we're going to do is once we generate that proven traffic, we're going to send that traffic to a done for you funnel, which will literally follow up and convert your leads for you. Okay, so you don't have to worry about creating your own website. You don't have to worry about being good at sales, getting on the phone, manually following up. As you follow me in this video, you're going to discover how to have all this set up for you incredibly easily so you can literally start, as it says in step 3, get money from multiple income streams, some paying instantly up to $2,000 per sale. Okay, so first off, let me share with you some results. So in one of the income streams, you can see that I was actually paid $11,610. I have ready to pay $1,098, okay, pending $936, etc. So this money is just coming in using the done for you funnel I'm going to share with you in a second. Another income stream, you can see that all time, okay, or even this year, I was able to generate $12,323, okay? So this is thousands of dollars totally on autopilot. So what is the key? Well, the first key is we need to set up our done for us funnel, okay? Because what we want to do is we want to actually be able to use this and generate affiliate commission. So there's going to be a link directly below, and all you have to do is click that link. You'll get taken to this page here, okay? Now, what you want to do is click this button. It's going to ask for your first name and your email. You want to put that information in and click this button, watch the video, okay? Now, once you do that, you'll get taken to this video. Now, it's important and a good idea to actually watch this overview video here because it's going to explain exactly how this done for you affiliate funnel and system works so you can access this entire thing and start to generate commissions on autopilot. Now, it's just $49 a month to actually get access to tons of capture pages, your own website, follow-up emails that go out on your behalf. You may be looking at this $49 a month and you may be a little bit hesitant. You know, you think, oh, I don't want to pay this monthly thing. But keep in mind that this income that I generated was simply sending the traffic that I'm going to share how to get in a little bit in this video directly to my done for me website. Okay, all you have to do is send traffic to this website and the funnel will do all the hard work for you. And for just 49 bucks, okay, it's a little over $1 a day, you're able to access this entire system. So if you're someone that's new to affiliate marketing, this is a no-brainer, okay? So you just click this button, create an account, okay? So you fill out your details, and then when you get to this point, you know, number 2, you just put in your credit card or debit card information, and you create your account, okay? Now, once inside, okay, so if you go here, you're gonna get taken to your back office. Now, all you have to do is start setting up your income streams. Now, this affiliate system is perfect for beginners because it gives you the ability to earn in multiple different streams. So income stream number 1 is taken care of, right? That is the multiple income funnel. Once you pay that $49, you're good. Now, income stream number 2 is easy one-up. And there's going to be a button right here, okay, where you can actually go to the income stream and create accounts for each of the income streams. So easy one-up, basically when you click this button, okay, it's going to take you to this page. Now, this is my personal sign-up form, so you can join through me, and you can start to really create the results you want. Now, all you have to do is put in your email, first, last name, create a username and password. That's how you'll log in to this specific affiliate income stream and check your commissions. And then you just put in the grayed out CAPTCHA code. It's a 3-digit code normally, and agree to terms, and then start now, okay? Now, once you do that, you'll be redirected to actually choose a level to upgrade, okay? So if you want to earn with Easy 1UP, which pays you instant 100% commissions, you need to upgrade into one of the levels, okay? So whatever level you choose, it's a one-time payment, okay? It's a one-time payment. So you don't have to pay monthly with Easy 1UP. So my recommendation for you is if you really want to earn the most and you want to hit your income goal as fast as possible, is you want to join at the highest level you can, okay? Because we earn in Easy 1UP at the level we join and below. So the number one most popular level is the $2,000 with the $500 one-time admin fee, okay, the Vertex Live. The next most popular is Vertex Pro. Now, whether you join Vertex Pro or Vertex Live, you're actually going to be able to access incredible bonuses from me on how to get endless free traffic, okay? The paid traffic source I'm going to reveal to you in a second is literally click and order, okay? It's a paid traffic source that's incredibly high quality, but if you join at these levels, okay, you'll be able to get free traffic training I've never revealed on my YouTube channel. Now, once you sign up at one of those levels, then you just take your affiliate ID, okay, your username, and what you do is you go back here and there'll be a box where you can put that information here and save it, okay? Because now, as you get people to your capture page, to your website using this incredibly easy system, now as people go through your funnel, you will get coded and tracked for these sales as people upgrade under you, and you'll be able to earn these $2,000 commissions even while you're sleeping, okay? Income stream number 3 is TextSpot. This is a text marketing software. Okay, it's very, very powerful. It's just $100 to join. Now, these are optional. Okay, once you join income stream number 1, you can start earning money. Okay, don't think if you can't afford that you have to join all of them or it won't work. Okay, even if you just join the first one, but you want to join as high as possible and as many of them as possible so you have the most earning ability. And income stream number 4 is Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority pays you really good commissions when you recommend someone to this product, but it also sells incredibly high converting traffic. Okay, so Traffic Authority is a traffic store where you can actually purchase traffic. Now, if I go back to here, step 1 is use the proven and recommended traffic source. So once you set up your system with multiple income funnel, all we have to do is go into, okay, the multiple income funnel, go to traffic, and it takes us to the Traffic Authority back office. And now we can just purchase clicks, okay? Now these are real people from top tier countries, meaning they have money to actually invest into these products. And if you choose, let's say the gold or the platinum package, you click other website. Now, what you want to do is go to links, and then you want to get one of these 3 capture pages. Okay, these are done for you. You can use, okay, whichever one you like. Then you just go to, let me go to Traffic Authority here, put in that website, okay, always the capture page. And then you just attach a debit or credit card, put in the code, agree to the terms, and place order. And within a day or so, you will start getting high quality clicks to your capture page. And once someone goes to your capture page, okay, they put their name and email in, they'll get taken to this page, they'll sign up, and they'll start going through the process, the same process that you're gonna go through, okay, right here. If I log back in, you will start having people under you going through the same process and upgrading, okay? And this is really it. And then you'll just start getting money from the multiple income streams. We have people from all over the world, different backgrounds, different experience levels, brand new people that have never done anything like this before, plugging in, following the simple videos in the system, and just getting high quality traffic from the traffic sources, and many from my free traffic when I share them for joining me at the $1,000, $2,000 level, and they're able to generate their first commissions, right? Some of them are even quitting their jobs through the amount of money they're making. So I just wanted to simplify how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2021. It doesn't have to be complicated. Anyone can do this. There's going to be links directly below this video that you can actually get started right now. Okay, so set up your account, upgrade, and then email me. There's going to be an email where once you join at the Vertex Pro or Vertex Live and Easy 1-Up, okay, right here, right? Once you join at these two levels, email me in the description below of this video. I have my email. Email me your Easy 1-Up username. I will verify very quickly that you've actually indeed joined at one of those levels, and I will forward you the link to all these amazing bonuses. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend. If you have any questions, comment them below. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss my latest videos, and I will catch you on my next training. Take care.